Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word down. What word? Down. Oh, it looks like fun to go down that slide. I can go down a slide. This is the word run. What word? Run. Oh no, can she run? Can she run? This is the word can. What word? Can. Hoo-hoo, can she fly? Can she fly? This is the word find. What word? Find. Can you find the cat? Can you find the cat? This is the word see. What word? See. Do you see a boy with a cat? I see a cat and a boy. This is the word three. What word? Three. Oh, look at her hop on three. Can she hop on three? This is the word not. What word? Not. This game is frisbee, not tennis. This game is frisbee, not golf. This is the word funny. What word? Funny. This boy is funny. He is funny. That's all of today's words. Let's read them again. Down, run, can, find, see, three, not, funny. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. Want a few more ways to practice with today's words? Then check out our activity kit on Teachers Pay Teachers. Be sure to catch us again next time. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.